Hello everyone, I'll just show you what I found at this location. This location is at a not very, but at a high altitude, and this is proof by this. See the cream. I didn't put any pressure, but it's coming out by itself. It shows that here in this area the atmospheric pressure is less, so it's coming out by itself. See, so I need to use this again. It's coming out, right? You can see that. So I should keep it close. Wow, that's why we have snow clad here, because it happens at a high altitude. Nice.